Today we will start with the next topic related to the sky. It is the solar system. Solar means related to sun, and system means the objects which actually contained in the gravitational system of the sun effectively. In the solar system, first of all, we'll talk about our sun, the present at the center of the solar system, or we can say it is the object whose gravitational force leads it to be the center of the solar system. Our sun is the closest star to the earth. As well, it is 150 million kilometers away from Earth, that we've studied already. As well, we know that 8.3 minutes is the duration in which the light ray reaches to Earth from the Sun. The diameter of Sun is 109 times that of Earth. Yes, it is 109 times the diameter than the Earth's diameter. 3,33,000 times heavier than Earth. Means if you consider the mass of Sun, then it is 3,33,000 times the mass of Earth. The secret of Sun's energy is the nuclear fusion process. Nuclear fusion is the process in which two lighter nuclei combine to form a bigger nuclei, and on the Sun, hydrogen nuclei continuously going under the process of nuclear fusion and changes into the helium nuclei. In this process, there is a huge energy liberation which is obtained by whole solar system. Hans Bethe was a scientist who told us about the fusion, and he was awarded with the Nobel Prize for this important discovery in year 1967. The center of Sun has 14 million degree Celsius temperature. And 6,000 degrees Celsius is the temperature at photosphere, which is also known as the surface of Sun because it is the visible part of Sun. The next nearest star is Alpha Centauri. We have already discussed about this star. On the surface of Sun, there are few holes, few points are there. Gases shoot outwards. Hot gases are in the form of arch, and that arch is known as prominences. Solar prominences. At few places there are the sunspots. These are the regions from where the hot gases shoots out. That surface, at that point, the temperature decreases and reaches to 4000 degrees Celsius. As this particular part is colder than the other part, that's why it looks as a dark area and is known as sunspots. Now we are moving towards the main members of the solar system, and those are known as planets. Planets are those heavenly bodies which revolve around the Sun. Bright objects, these are, but they do not twinkle like stars. There are 8 planets in solar system. If we consider the increasing distances from the Sun, then the first one comes is the Mercury. The second is the Venus. The third is our pretty planet Earth. Then we have the Mars. Then we have gigantic Jupiter. Then we have mysterious Saturn. Then we have the weird Uranus, and then we have the Neptune. The first planet according to the distance, the least distant planet is the Mercury. Nearest planet it is the smallest planet also. Then we have the Venus, the second planet is a twin to the Earth. The third planet is our mother planet Earth. Then we have the Mars, the red planet. Then we have Jupiter, the most gigantic planet of Earth, of solar system. Then we have our Saturn with the beautiful rings combination. Then we have the Uranus, and then we have Neptune. These initial 4 planets are the solid rocky planets, and these are called the terrestrial planets. These are also called interior planets. Then we have the last 4 planets, which are the gas giants. These are generally not that much rocky as the 4 planets are. These are called Jovian or exterior planets. So this is the classification of the 8 planets according to their distances. The initial 4 planets have few common properties and the exterior 4 planets have common properties. First thing, we have studied the astronomical unit, and we should know that from the center of the Sun, the distance up to the Mars is about 1.5 astronomical unit. But Jupiter onwards, this distance goes to 5 to 30 astronomical unit. In short, we can say that initially the planets are not very much distant from each other, but if we talk about the Jovian planets, their interdistances are so large, and that's why they appear to situate at the larger distances. So that was a classification of planets according to their distances from Sun.